In this movie, we're replacing the XY assembly using a 1/8 Allen wrench and a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver. If you've got a pair of hemostat pliers, those may come in handy as well. The XY assembly has 3 button socket cap screws on the embosser side, 3 screws on the opposite side near the printer, and a ground screw securing a ground cable behind the printer. There are 2 connection cables, the Y-stepper connection cable and the XY transport ribbon cable. Press and hold the power button on the front of the EC2000 and wait for the machine to shut down completely before you unplug the power and data cables. Unlock the top cover using the barrel key. Slide the cover halfway, then gently pull one side out at a time so that it extends all the way out toward the back. Using a 1/8 Allen wrench, remove the 3 screws securing the XY assembly to the base plate on the embosser side. Slide the XY transport toward the embosser to access the 3 screws on the opposite side closest to the printer. Using a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the ground screw behind the printer. Set the screws aside, then disconnect the XY transport ribbon cable and the Y-stepper connection cable. Carefully lift the XY assembly out from the EC2000 and set it aside. Place the new XY assembly in the EC2000 so that the Y-stepper connection cable is in the back left corner of the machine. Make sure there are no cables stuck underneath the assembly. Reconnect the XY transport ribbon cable and the Y-stepper connection cable. To reinsert the ground screw, it may help to use pliers to hold the ground cable in place. Using the 1/8 Allen wrench, reinsert the 3 screws on the side closest to the printer. Slide the transport out of the way and reinsert the 3 screws on the side closest to the embosser. Fold the top cover forward so that it's about halfway closed and carefully reinsert one side at a time so that it can slide all the way closed. Lock the cover and remove the key.